We're on MicroMark TV, working out of the Micro Make Mini Shop, and today we're going to be looking at a particular tool off of the Micro Make Mini Power Tool line called the Power Planer.
That's right. This is an excellent little tool, a miniature power plane for leveling out pieces of wood, cleaning up the edges. Prior to assembly, you want everything to be nice and square and true edges.
You can dial in the depth there.
Adjustable depth right there. Raises this front sled up and down to control how deep of a cut the blades can actually take.
And of course, like all the tools in the Micro Make Mini Power Tool line, it has a variable speed with the transformer there.
That's correct. So I'm going to show you, I just have a little board here clamped down. I'm going to show you it in action.
Nifty little tool for working in small places, tight spots. Where would you go to get this, Dave?
You get that at micromark.com.